It seems like most of the people face this problem that they are not able to contact the support of the Pocket option because they have a new account. And in this video, I'm going to show you, even if you have a brand new account, how you can easily contact the support of this Pocket option and get the reply and solve your problem in an easy way. So that thing I'm going to show you in this video. So recently, one of my VIP copy trader who joined my VIP copy trading, I have a service where I provide people to copy my trades directly and automatically in their account by using the social trading feature. And if you also want to copy my trades to make profit like this, then you can join my VIP copy trading channel. For that, you can join my free Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this video, and read the instructions there on how you can join my VIP copy trading channel and make profit like this in automatic way. So for this video's sake, I'm going to show you exactly. So according to him, he have deposited the fund using the UPI payment method, and the problem was it was not reflecting in his account, and he was unable to talk to the support. And that exact thing I'm going to show you in this video. So watch this video very carefully, and please do like this video too, and do share with your friends if they need it. So what I will do is I will switch to a brand new account and show you exactly how you can contact the support. So according to my VIP copy trader, his problem was his balance was not reflecting. So simply what you can do is you can click on here, okay, and then go to the support firstly. Now if you directly click on create a new support request, then it will show nothing. Here you can see you cannot type anything at here, but now what you need to do is, what is your problem? Your problem is regarding deposit account verification. Where whatever your problem is, just click on that section, deposit. So let's say our problem is card deposit. So let's click on this card deposit. And here you can see, why is my payment not reflected on my trading account? Just click on it. Now you can read at here, and if it solves your problem, that's fine. If not, then you can click on create a new support request. And then you can type your message at here and attach some file if you have here. You can easily attach it and click on submit and send it to your support. And after few hours, you will get a reply, and you just can click at here, okay, and then you can click on notification, and you can see here you have a message from support. Just click on that see more, and you will be able to see the message and reply from the Pocket option. It is as simple as this to contact the support of the Pocket option.